Real talk lang. Crucial to. Kapag nag-cheat sa'yo yung partner mo, focus on yourself. Hindi mo kailangan habulin yung partner mo para lang tanungin kung bakit siya nag-cheat sa'yo. Kapag tinuklaw ka nga ng ahas, kailangan mo mag-focus na magkaroon ng anti-venom kaysa habulin yung ahas at tanungin kung bakit deserve mong tuklawin.
The problem with this kind of analogy is that yung gumawa ng masakit sa'yo, which is yung partner mo, is capable of putting words kung bakit ginawa niya yung bagay na ikinasakit mo. Now, these kinds of influencers, again, they are promoting yung pagiging disposable ng mga relasyon because most of what they promote is not to fix the problem but to actually move on and get another partner which will have the same chance of you going through the same pattern, problems, trauma, etc., etc., because you, in the first place, didn't understand kung paano nangyari yung pangit na sitwasyon niyo. Gets? They focus so much doon sa nasaktan, doon sa naiputan, doon sa nagawan ng mali, that they forget na doon sa nangyari, may involved na tao, na sentient being that is capable of understanding or trying to, or capable of improving themselves. Pero, well, again, yung mga ganitong klaseng influencers, they promote a disposable relationship na kung saan maging mali ka, maaabot mo yung pagkakamali niyan, it's over. There's no way to get it right. And ang napansin ko rin, no, they are very fond of using comparisons like yung mga snakes thing na yan na it sounds very profound but hindi mo siya pwedeng i-translate doon sa sitwasyon ng tao because yung sa sitwasyon ng tao is much more complex and have more nuances than simply a snake biting you. Diba? It involves a lot of concepts, especially sa psychology. Diba? The psychology of desire. So, hindi maganda na sinasanay niyo yung mga sarili niyo into thinking that you are an individual or the individual is the most precious thing doon sa relasyon niyo. But it's just one of the many things that you can consider while creating a decision that would affect hindi lang kayong dalawa and possible the family that you will be creating with your long-time partner. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards your goal. Have a good day.